Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel The Anadata Online, the trade and marketing catalyzer of Globe. In this video we will elaborately explain how to set up edible oil processing plant on MSME scale in cost-effective setup. Also we will focus A. How much does it cost to set up an oil plant? B. How much land required for oil plant? C. Which plant is used for making edible oil? D. Machinery requirement and cost in present market. E. Is edible oil production profitable? Now let us know business opportunities for setting up the edible oil plant. India mainly depends on imports to meet domestic edible oil demand due to insufficient production in the country. For instance, the demand for edible oils in India during 2019-20 was 24 million tons, whereas the domestic production was 10.65 million tons. And India imported around 13.35 million tons. Considering the huge supply-demand gap, starting an edible oil refinery plant is considered as one of the most profitable manufacturing business idea in India. So let us look the type of edible oil plants in India and globe. A. Mustard oil plant setup. B. Corn oil refinery plant. C. Sunflower oil refinery plant. D. Palm oil refinery plant. E. Coconut oil refinery plant. In this video we will explain mustard oil plant setup procedure in different scale. To know more in detail you can subscribe our channel for other food processing business ideas related to agro business and food processing unit setup. Mustard oil plant basic setup. Let us tell you few basics. Site selection. You definitely need a physical location to produce or store mustard oil and raw materials. As a successful startup, you need to keep costs low. The money you save can be used for marketing or transportation in the future. Second point is, find the market. Find the market closest to you. According to the distribution channels, the mustard oil market is divided into retail markets, supermarkets, and department stores. Of all these, the retail market accounts for the highest profit. Therefore, the closer the mustard oil market is to scale, the easier it is for you to sell mustard oil. If you need to travel far away or the market is scattered, selling products to them will make you spend more money. Going more in depth. Mechanical investment cost of setup mustard oil business plan. First one is land and construction costs. As an investor, to build a mustard oil manufacturing business, you need a place that can hold all the machinery, raw materials, products, and other similar items. The price of the property, by region or country. It appears in developed areas, but less in less developed areas, such as villages. Likewise, you will have to build a brand new building designed according to your needs or buy an already designed structure. Both will affect costs in different ways. Then it comes raw material cost. When you build a mustard oil processing plant, the main raw material will be mustard seeds. Its cost will depend on various factors, such as A. What type of mustard seeds are you buying? B. How many mustard seeds do you buy every month? C. Where do you need to ship it? D. Who is your supplier? Third one is labor cost. When you build an oil plant, you need to run a worker mechanism, maintain it to increase production, to formulate new policies, and to manage the entire mustard oil plant. Their salary depends on their job skill level. The total labor cost depends on the number of workers you need to run the milling plant. Now we will cover the technical process flow along with required machinery for commercial mustard oil plant setup. First process is mustard seeds drying. The mustard seeds are dried in the sun. This step is essential in removing any water that could deteriorate oil extraction process. Please note, do not exceed 65 degrees centigrade or 150 degrees Fahrenheit air temperature and 45 degrees centigrade or 113 Fahrenheit seed temperature. For better result may use master seed drying machine known as commercial mustard seed dryer machine. Cost-effective machines are listed in our directory. You can get an idea about costing also. Second process flow is cleaning the seeds. Mustard seeds cleaning. The dried mustard seeds are then cleaned, whereby all the dirt and foreign objects are removed from the mustard seeds to ensure the extracted oil is pure and of high quality. Now let us look about the seed cleaning machines. A seed cleaner uses a combination of winnowing with a fan to remove lighter particles and sifting with sieves on an oscillating screen to remove particles that are smaller wheat seeds and larger particles. Lot of seed cleaning machines are listed in our page. You can get an idea about costing also. The third process is mustard seeds heating. The mustard seeds are then heated before oil pressing starts. Heating the seeds increases the quantity of the yield. The process also increases availability of protein in the byproduct seed cake that is used for making animal feeds. For quality output, mustard oil extraction machine is used. The fourth process is mustard oil extraction. Well-prepared mustard seeds are immediately fed into the mustard oil press machine, where the seeds are crushed and pressed for up to 1 hour or more depending on the quantity to produce approximately 26% oil. The crushing and pressing is continued further to extract all the oil from the seed cake. The machine called oil expeller machine, which is specially designed to be used for edible oil plant. This machine can extract oil from the most of seeds. Moreover, it can crush mustard seeds. These machines are also listed in food processing machinery section of our webpage. The last step is mustard oil purification. The final step involves filtering the extracted oil to remove impurities from the oil before the oil is bottled and stored. If want to produce high quality or high-end mustard oil, edible oil refining process is recommended. After oil pressing, we can get the crude edible oil, as it has different kinds of impurities and easy to oxidize. As a result, it cannot be stored for long time. To avoid oxidization of crude edible oil and get rid of impurities or hazardous substances, you need to set up an oil refinery line for your oil plant. Let us focus on the machine used in it. Double filter machine is manufactured as per latest industry standards to purify the mustard oil. The details of such type of machines are listed in our directory with costing. Then it goes to the packaging section. Few more miscellaneous fixed assets. A. Water supply arrangements. B. Furniture and fixtures. C. Computers and printers. Statutory process. Pollution control. Entrepreneur is advised to contact State Pollution Control Board for detailed guidance directly. Now coming to the financial aspects, you should contact authorized project report consultant or can check our webpage for listed consultants. Tentatively, you can expect project cost 23 lakhs to 47 lakhs. Most tentatively, automatic mustard oil processing plant capacity 6 to 150 ton. The setup cost is approx 14 plus lakhs. To set a small units. Fully automatic oil mill machinery capacity 250 kilograms per hour. Price starts 5 lakhs onwards. We will prepare another video on edible oil packaging and what government schemes to support edible oil plant setup. To know more in detail, you can subscribe and like our channel for other food processing business ideas related to agro business.